Needless to say, I think today's a pretty big day. I think judging by the shape, I think you guys know what's in here. And then I'll even do that. You can see it a little bit easier. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox one of these just to make sure everything looks good, but pretty stoked to have these come in the shop today. Now our waiting room is a little bit more official. I think it's a little bit more comfortable, or people are more inclined to be waiting here, if you know what I mean. But they look so good. What up everyone, welcome back. So today is an awesome day. Why? Because every day is awesome, it just is. When you're living the dream, every day is just an amazing day. And I think that's how it should be for everyone. But we're not gonna get into that. So we've got a lot on deck, and by that I mean we've got a lot of cars that we're working on. We've got a lot of products we're moving, as always, but we're trying to get some new things in. We've got some new clutches coming out. We've got some new steering wheels, some new trim kits. We've got a lot of F80 things on deck. Speaking of F80, we'll give you an update on that here and see what we got going on. But before we get into that, I think we've got a nice surprise. I will say a very nice surprise, needless to say, for one of our techs. His name is Jose, and he got a steering wheel. He wanted one so bad, so we got him one. But long story short, I told him it's not ready, and I told him it's not here, and it is. I hid it in our shop car, which we parked out there, and on top of that, I surprised him with a special upgrade. He wanted the Hex Honeycomb carbon fiber. I told him I couldn't do it, it was too late, but I did it anyways. And so we're gonna surprise him with that, and I wanna, I don't know, just kind of catch his reaction. Alright, so I just put his steering wheel inside the 135. He doesn't know, but he's been waiting for it for a few weeks, and I'm gonna surprise him. He has no idea that his wheel is inside that 135. He's about to flip.
Oh yeah. God. Yeah. Let's go. What's this? This is all the
the module.
harness. That is a honeycomb. Whoa, this one looks different from the other honeycomb. This one you can actually see it.
Let's see, dude. Damn. Is that going to my 1 series? Damn, Junior. That looks dope.
Oh, this is amazing. It's literally almost second to the last piece I need.
Bro. Don't cry.
I almost cried going out there. I was like, where's my steering wheel? Dude, feel this.
Well, my hands are dirty, but
You feel it.
I like it.
Oh God, my eyes are sweating.
Your eyes are sweating?
Yeah.
Did you want to do it here or did you want to do it here? The other guy. He was actually like, he's not a mechanic, but he's a mechanic. Yeah. He's a tire guy. So he's like, this is all I know about BMW.
Before I'm about to install this wheel, how you feeling?
I'm excited. I'll show them the mess though. We got a little vacuum. I got a clean call, man. I'm excited. There's all the kids.
Yeah, well. Yeah, dude. There you go. All I gotta do is just hide the wires and you're good to go. Yeah.
Pointing at his watch, he's like, 2 mil right here, 2 mil. If you got this right here, feel the void.
Oh yeah. I keep seeing your forehead.
Yeah, you got this wheel. He's like, if you got this right
You
here.
happy?
Dude, I'm more than happy. I'm in love.
Yeah.
Dude, this steering wheel is a whole game changer. This
Makes it
is
feel like a new car, huh?
amazing. It does. It doesn't even feel like the same car. Like,
Put one on my truck.
Dang, this thing came out crispy, dude. Nice. I'm liking it. Honeycomb, flat bottom, red stitching, perforated leather, LED wheel, red stitching, red stripe. Yeah, he did it right. Alright, and as for the F80, we've got quite a bit to do, so I'm going to show you kind of what we're looking at here again, kind of just go off of what our plan is, and then I do want to kind of just get it in a stock form, just to try it out and kind of have a benchmark. So I think I'm going to go ahead and drive it stock 1, maybe 2 weeks, if I can even wait that long, but as soon as that's done, I think I'm going to go all the way and just do balls to the walls. We're gonna go ahead, new color, wheels, suspension, all bolt-ons, tune, seats, everything interior down to like the sun visor and trim, the gauge face, grills, diffuser, front lip, headlights, tail lights, rear deck spoiler, side skirts, brakes. I'm not stopping anywhere. It's gonna go all the way, and I want you guys to obviously be here for that. I want you guys to be the first group to see what's going on. I usually have it as Instagram, but I want you guys to see it first because I enjoy making videos and I want to really document this build, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So, and I just got a bunch of stuff in for the F80, so let's go check it out. Just got a bunch of stuff in. I don't know why this came in a Subaru box. Oddly. But control arms and a bunch of just brand new parts. All suspension pieces, simply just to fix this, and we should be good. Then the rest is really easy. You know, you can repaint the bumper, fix the sides, fix the fender, get a new mirror cap, replace 2 wheels, and it's brand new. And then we got another F80 dropping off for crank hub. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I mean, it's gonna be a big bit of progress that we're gonna see every bit here and there, and I'm gonna try and get as much of it as I can. It may not look like much, but trying to do body work, or at least finding someone to do some of the things I can't do and all that kind of stuff is a little bit difficult because I want to try and have it done right. So that said, I appreciate you guys watching. The next video, I want to have a DIY for the steering wheel just because we've had a lot of people asking about it. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of make a quick overview on how I put it in. So I'll go ahead and put that together. That way you guys can see the steering wheels light up and kind of have, you know, that for yourself. But hit that subscribe button, follow this build, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I think the video after that, we're going to go ahead and ask you guys what color should we do, what wheel should we do, and stuff like that. So, peace.